Notice anything different? So if this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. And then when you do that, look a little over to the left or right and click the little notification bell as well. That is how you make sure that you are notified for all of my future videos. Once you click that bell, hashtag notification gang down there in the comment section. I like to shout people out who are a part of the hashtag notification gang. Today's shout out goes to A. Marie Beauty. Thank you so much for being a subscriber and also a part of the hashtag notification gang. And if you want a shout out, comment that down below. So let's start over from the beginning. Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a fun one because your girl is about to go platinum. So I just showed you guys how I laid my closure wigs. I made that last wig and also showed you guys how I applied it. This time this video is going to go a little more in depth because I'm going to show you guys how I create natural looking parts and actually pluck the part. I am a lot more comfortable with closure wigs, and this wig actually already came as a closure unit. So I didn't make this hair, it came like this. This is the unit. This is from Miss Lula hair, and this is straight out of the box. I did not wash this or anything. I will be washing it soon to see how it washes, but this is straight out of the pack. I already plucked this wig, so you guys will see a clip of that very, very soon, but this is how it came out, and this is like blonde. I have never worn this color before, so we'll see how this looks on me. It has black roots, and this is a 20-inch unit. And let me just read you all of the specs of the unit. Alright, so again, this hair is from Miss Lula, and they are an AliExpress vendor, and it's a black root ombre number 613 blonde straight human hair machine made lace closure wig. So that's what you're looking at right here. And like I said, it is 20 inches. Very, very, very beautiful. I'll make sure to have the link to the hair and everything, all the specs down below in the description box. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. So let's get right into this. Once again, it is a closure wig, so it does not have lace all the way around on the inside. I am actually going to cut this piece underneath the closure. I'm going to cut this little black piece underneath the closure so it looks very natural when it's laying on my scalp. You just want to be super careful that you are not actually cutting the closure. This is what comes off of the unit, and then you're left with this right here. So all lace wigs and weaves and everything come with like this excess lace here at the front, this little flap, and then you have to cut that off. But before I cut that off, I like to create a nice looking natural part. So I'm going to insert a clip here of me actually plucking the hairs to make a nice natural part. Now after the part is made, you should be left with something that looks similar to this, and then it's time to cut the lace off. So I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to trim off the excess lace. I'm not going to trim right up to the hairline. I'm going to leave just a little bit of the lace on, and I'll show you guys what I leave on in a second. But I'm going to leave a little bit on because again, we want this to almost look like a frontal, so I'm going to leave a bit at the front. Next, it doesn't look like they bleached the knots on this closure, so I don't bleach my knots anymore. I just feel like that's more work than it's worth. So what I'm going to do is use the foundation that I have on today, which is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC45, and I'm going to set that with the Black Up Matte Definition Powder, and I'm going to actually just put that on the closure. So I'm going to take a little bit of foundation. I'm actually just going to put it on the back of my hand, just a very small amount. Kind of rub it around, rub it on the brush, and then I'm just gonna stipple it on here. And I'm really just gonna stipple it where my part is. You don't have to put it on the entire thing, but I'm gonna put it mostly where the part is. So this is what we're left with. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the powder in that same spot. Now honestly, we're just ready to apply the wig. So I took my wig cap off because what I want to do is push back all of my hair. Like all of my hair, I want to make sure I slick it back with some kind of gel. So I'm just going to use the Got2b Ultra Glued, and I'm going to use that to just slick back my braids. And you can honestly wear your hair in whatever style you would like. Cornrows for me works the best because it's the flattest, but whatever flat style you want to wear your hair in, you're free to do so. Switch my wig cap to this wig cap, which is more closer to my skin tone. You want to get a wig cap that's as close as possible to your skin tone. So I'm going to switch mine to this one, and I'm just going to pull it back just a bit. So it's time to apply the wig. This wig does not come with any combs on the inside, but it does come with an adjustable strap on the back, so I will be using that. But yeah, it doesn't come with any combs, so you can feel free to sew in an elastic band if you want. That's what I will probably do later on, but for right now we're just going to use the straps. So lastly, I'm just gonna throw a few curls in this hair and we are all done. actually think I like this straight better, but it's cool. We here now. Alright guys, so that is it. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was a fun little video for you. I am trying new things, trying to step outside of my box. So hopefully you guys are liking it. If you again want to know more about the wig or more about the company, Miss Lula Hair, check the description box. It'll be filled with all of the info and the goodies and everything you need to know about this hair and their company in general. And also let me know what y'all think about the blonde. I'm actually kind of feeling it on me right now. It's more of a spring shade, but you know what? Do you, boo. So I'll wear this all winter. It is what it is. Don't forget to follow me on social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. And that is it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.